How do you guys, how are you? Hope you're all safe and well. Welcome to another CB video. Yeah, the first one's gone a bit mad, hasn't it? What's happened with that? Thank you so much for everybody that shared, liked and subscribed. That CB video I did, I'll link to it at the end of this one. It's really gone amazingly well. And I'm here again, but I'm not in Blackpool. Now, I know I said at the end of the last video, the next one's going to be from the top of the tower. But I've had calls today to travel somewhere and I thought, I'll take my CB. And I've got a great addition as well. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you something mind-blowing. So stick around for that. Now, what are you on about, Dave? He said, you've got a great addition. Well, I'm not on my own today. I've got a cameraman. Not him. I'll tell you where I am, won't it? That's Eric Morecambe. Bring me sunshine. He needs to bring me sunshine. It's flipping freezing here. Now I've got a cameraman. Mason's with me. And he's got a cameraman for me. Like the professionals. Wow. So yeah, back here with the CB that I had in Blackpool. It's a Thunderpole TX. I don't think I mentioned that in the first video. A few of the comments said, Dave, what's your radio? You never explained it. Well, I never said I was professional. So yeah, there you go. Thunderpole TX. Now the comments in that video said, you're never going to get anywhere with that farty aerial. Your aerial's too small. Been told that before. So I've upgraded. Do you want to see what I've got? Let me turn the camera around. I've got, see that there? It's not a walking stick. It's not even a magic wand. It's called a Thunderpole something or other. I forgot the name. I think it's called a Thunderpole Technical. And it's a giant aerial. So let's stick it on the aerial. Stick it on the aerial. Let's stick it on the CB. See if we can get anybody here in sunny Morecambe. Let's give it a go. Okay. Thunderpole TX. Rubbish aerial. All we do is, I turned it on. We turn it off. Turn that off. I'll throw that on there. Don't let me forget that. Mason. See, he does exist. Not just made him up, you know. Look at that. You see that? You see that? What an aerial. Gonna get someone on that, aren't I? I won't be surprised if I didn't get the space station on this. Right, let's try it. Turn it on. And what I'm going to do is, on the comments on the last video, everyone said, you need to go to channel 19 and shout for a copy. And I was thinking I was like back in 1981 where you just go to a channel and there's loads of people talking. So I'm going to shout out for somebody now on UKFM channel 19. Let's give it a go. Let me show you. There you go. Give it a go. Taking me back this. Look at that, it's windy here. 1.9 a copy, 1.9 a copy. Nobody. $19 a copy, 1.9 a copy. Has anybody got their ears on? Well, all I'm missing is an 18-wheeler, isn't it? Still nobody. Okay. Let's do a bit of a scan of the channels. So I'll do what I did in the last one. I'll turn the squelch up. Just until I lose all the interference, then do a channel scan. See if we can get anything. But it's big aerial. Found the squelch. So we've set that. Let's do a scan now, see what we can get. See if there's anybody on the CB in Morecambe. Now while that's scanning, I've got a few recommendations on places to go. Pendle Hill and Winter Hill. So I'm going to go to them over the next few weeks and get as high up as I can with my great aerial. Look at that there. Supposed to do that, you know. You thought I broke it then, didn't you? Look, supposed to do that so you can easily transport it. So yeah, can't get anybody. There's still nobody there. What are we going to do? There's nobody there. Oh no. Okay.
And then we go down to the next little junction bit.
Oh my God.
Not a problem anyway.
We've got somebody.
You try and control the main road and all the side streets. It's just impossible, isn't it? You need fucking 4 or 5 next door vehicles.
Apologies for the bad language. I'll try and bleep him out.
Got you now. Start moving on.
Let's see if we can speak. On the side, on the side.
Renault, getting the traffic.
On the side, on the side. You're going to speak to me? On the side, on the side.
Down to that stopping point.
On the side, can anybody hear me?
Serious.
On the side. On the side, can you hear me?
Oh, spray car on the side road with his lights on it in case he comes.
Radio test, radio test.
Mate, we've got roadworks on at the minute, same place as last time. Last vehicle, I've still got to get to the other side, it's on red for me at the minute. Last vehicle at the past, my Peugeot van.
Why can't you hear
Fire now, I
But they
ain't
can't hear me.
got there yet.
Radio test, mic test, radio test.
White Peugeot van, last vehicle. I'm just about to jump out the escort vehicle and get stuff moved again, but I've blocked the road with my van. White Peugeot van, last thing coming down.
On the side, radio test.
So, mate, I think, yeah, similar, I think.
Right.
White Peugeot van now, mate, we'll start it up now then.
Okay, I'm definitely on UK FM. I'm on channel 35. And it sounds like some sort of... I don't know, is it police or... Saying he's blocked the road with his van, not too sure what's going on. Could be a bank robbery, this. That'll get me a few clicks. Wasn't it a bank robbery? Let's try it again. Radio test, radio test. We've got... That's messages from... Planet, I think. Maybe we've been invaded again, I'm not too sure. Carry on. Oh. What have you can hear? Can you hear that? I don't know why I'm holding it near to the camera. I'm wearing the mic. I haven't got the hand of this, have I? Right, let's scan again, see what we can get. How exciting is this? Don't we Danton Deck on Saturday Night Takeaway, do you? When you've got David Mason on Morecambe front. Right, we're searching. EUFM, Channel 4. Not Channel 4 that Countdown's on. Richard Whiteley. I used to love Richard Whiteley. Oh, see that? Did you hear that? No one's saying the squelch. Have we got somebody? I don't think they were English again, though. Right, let's do a quick scan. There you go. Can you see that, guys? Scanning on EUAM. There's someone there. Let's listen. This great aerial. Look at this aerial. How good's that aerial? No. Should we try 19 for a copy? Don't think we're going to get anything, are we? Well, let's try it, because you told me to do that, didn't you? 19 a copy. 19 a copy. Everyone's looking at me like I'm mad. 19 a copy. Has anybody got their ears on? Oh, oh. No, nobody. All right, tell you what we're going to do. We're going to go to a higher point. And we're going to try it again while we're in Morecambe. Come on, let's go. Right, so we've moved up the coast a bit. See what we can get here. So we're going to scan on UK FM. It's on 19. Let's give a shout out first. Turn the volume up. 19 a copy, 19 a copy. Has anybody got their ears on? Come in. No, sausage. 19 a copy, 19 a copy. I've only got the squelch on very, very slightly. So let's do a scan on UK FM. Oh, we found somebody. We're having more luck here, aren't we, than we did at the mirror ball. Perhaps we haven't found anybody. On the side, on the side. Radio check, mic check, radio check. No? Why does nobody want to speak to me? Mind you, this happens in real life as well. Try scanning again. Now we're on UK FM. Don't forget, this is just a quick video. I just thought we're in Morecambe today. We'll take the radio with us and see if anybody's alive on the CB in Morecambe. And they're not. Okay, we're going to stop that scan. I'm going to change the band and quickly scan these other bands. Oh, you see, it's that Russian sailor again. Is he Russian? What is it? Not Russian, is he? Can't even speak English, never mind. Anyway. No idea. Italian, I think. Probably ordering a pizza. I don't know, is that stereotyping? Should I have said that? Am I going to get cancelled now? I don't know. Right, let's turn the squelch up and then scan. Hang on. Okay, EU FM. Let's do a scan. See, it's picking up something. Keep stopping on channels, but there's nothing there. Should I get something on these EU channels? Let me know in the comments below, because I haven't got a blinking clue, you know. Right, EU AM. And there's someone singing. Or doing something, like chanting. I suppose the clue is in the EU, isn't it? I'm going to be English, are they? Oh, are they? Are we in the EU? No, we're not, are we? Let's do a scan again. Last scan. Then what we're going to do is... Definitely people there. Just don't want to speak to me. Do you know what I should do with this area? Should go fishing with it. I'll probably have more luck catching something like that. Right. I'm going to head back to the car. And I've got something amazing to show you. I'm not joking, seriously. I've got something really good. But Morecambe, you're a little bit better than Blackpool. I am going to take on board your Pendle Hill comments from the last video. I am going to go up Winter Hill, so stay tuned for that. We've still got the top of the tower to do. But the next video is going to be something different, but with the CB. So keep watching till the end. I'm going to head back to the car now, because I've got something really good to show you. Come on. Okay, Morecambe. Is CB alive in Morecambe? Well, we got somebody in English this time, didn't we? But they just didn't want to blink and talk to me, did they? Anyway, this is the plan. Top of the tower, it's on. Wait till half term until all the kids have gone. Taking the CB, the Thunderpole TX, up to the top of the tower. We'll take it with our new aerial, the Thunderpole Technical. How good was that? Well, at least we got somebody, didn't we? That's still on. Pendle Hill's still on. Winter Hill's still on. But I'm also going to do Blackpool at night, because I've had a bit of a thought. Maybe there's just nobody on the CB in the daytime. Maybe they're all out at night time, chatting away. So we're going to do Blackpool by night. That could be the next video. Not too sure. Anyway, Thunderpole TX. And I said I had something exciting for you, didn't I? Wait till you see this. This is mind-blowing. Well, my mind was blown anyway. Look at this. Look at that. Do you know what that is? Well, I don't really. I'm going to be honest with you. We put the CB down there. We turn this bad boy on.
Welcome.
Welcome. Even talk. Frequency mode. Look at that. This is the good stuff here. This is what you guys want. No idea. No idea what to do with this one. No idea what to do with that one. And I've read manuals and I've watched videos, but we'll learn as we go along. But let me tell you something. I've actually spoke to people on this. So I got it about 2 weeks ago. Got it out of the box. Went on this Facebook group. Tapped a few frequencies in. Spoke to people. Honestly, I've spoke to people. So we're gonna, this is a Baofeng, by the way. Don't know how you pronounce it, but it's Baofeng. Baofeng. And it cost me, you're not going to believe this, it cost me £15. £15 delivered. There you go. Told you it was exciting, didn't I? That's coming. Look at that, I'll do that, because I can't do the special effects that they do on the YouTube channel. So I'll do this, look at this. Wow, look at that spinning round. How cool's that? Right. I'm going on myself again, aren't I? So, this is going to feature in its own video. Because I know these people on this. I'm struggling with that a little bit. I'm not going to give up on the CB till I speak to somebody. Don't forget. But this is going to get a video all of its own when I've learned a little bit more about it. Okay, guys, so there we go. Don't forget, like I always say, if you like what you see, subscribe. It's absolutely free. And I'll see you very, very soon in the next one. Take good care. Bye-bye.